Hey guys, it's Mook here, and I just wanted to do a quick video today about the side buttons that I've been using recently on the G305. So I mentioned in the last video that I've been preferring them. Like I said, I kind of just sanded it down. Around here you can see the extra thickness of actual buttons when you're comparing. And I've realised I really prefer it, so I'm going to try to do it on this G Pro wireless. I'm going to sand this down and see how it goes. Just to give you an idea of how much of it sticks out now, so it's not really much. As opposed to so I sanded down with some 240 grit paper. You can see how much I've got rid of. Like usually this bit has a bit of a dip, but it's almost in line now. And obviously I'll clean it up, and I mean if you have a mouse which is unmodded or untouched, it's going to be harder to get a final finish, but I guess that's what you decide to do. I'll just put those buttons in so you can have an idea. Already you can tell they stick out a lot more, and they're just going to be easier to press. I'll show you from this angle. But yeah, looks good. I like that already. I basically want to be able to blink and then recall in like that really easily. Sorry, melee and recall. So I'm just going to go ahead and sand this down with different grits and try to clean it up and make it look like the rest of us. So I've gone ahead and cleaned this up. As you can see, it's sanded down now. I went from 240 to 600, 1500, 2000, and then just polished it. So you can see it's kind of the same texture as the rest of the mouse now. And I also went ahead and painted these just because why not? And pop it in. There you go. You can see they stick out quite a lot now, and I also quite like the look. So yeah, I definitely recommend it if you don't like your current buttons, but obviously you need to have a somewhat of a finish where you can kind of replicate it. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video.